color. Let's go in with Zuri, shall we? Zuri. Did you want to use some of this one?
Yes, I want to use the money green. And
That's called Egypt. That one's pretty, but it's not gonna go with what you have. You have a
no,
lot.
I want to use some of the money green, and I want to use some of the midnight bun.
That's none of the colors.
Yes, that look like when nighttime when you give a man bun. That's how the sky look.
I don't give my man bun. I'm a lady. You give your man bun?
Bakery, not bun, bakery.
That's not nice.
I mean, man forget bun.
No, not all. Okay, so now it's just a little color, and I know it looks like a lot, but that's why we're gonna go in again on the crease. I skipped the crease.
The viral king himself, Foota Hype, is weighing in on the whole entire situation between Major Hype and his ex-lover. You don't want to miss that. Coming up next on Links 007 TV, Let's Talk. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this break. Thanks for joining us back and welcome to Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Major Hype, one of the most talked about name in social media for this week, after a video went viral of his ex basically exposing some vital information as it relates to what she has been through while she was in a relationship with the comedian and fame star. However, Foota Hype is weighing in on the issue, and a number of other popular social media figures have so far weighed in on the issue. And we are going to share Foota Hype's story and what Foota Hype had to say about the whole entire situation that went down and went bizarre on the internet this week. But before I even get into the details of Foota Hype and what he had to say, I just wanted us implore Major Hype and this female to just seek some sort of professional help in dealing with this situation. Both of them are going through an emotional phase within their life, and this might cause some psychological damage. As Major Hype recounted in his video that he was abused while growing up, and actually, the female which he once shared a relationship knew about this, and he would have shared some information with the female, and he have stated that whenever he would have problems she would like use it against him, or in a sense use it in order to just torment him. Now that is like you have a cut and someone know about the cut and they actually squeeze lime into that cut. I believe that was a very low blow from the female. And most of the time, this is why people keep things within them. And most of the time, this is damaging to them because they don't have anyone to share these things with. And when they do share it with someone, it then come to haunt them in the end. I'm gonna be sharing Foota Hype story with you though, and let me just update you as it relates to this. But this situation between Major Hype and this female is very sad, and it's very unfortunate to see such a thing being played out, especially on social media. But what is done, and the healing process starts now. We're gonna go over to Foota Hype and listen what he had to say as it relates to this. Let's go over to that now.
Two things disturb me extremely bad about the Major Hype situation. Zin? Two things disturb me extremely bad about the Major Hype situation. Zin? Remember, Major Hype was a sound man like me. Used to play a massive beat sound. See? and then him acting career take off and him done with the sound thing. See? Yeah. So me just somebody who I know a long time. When me there with Aisha, I used to there with one of Aisha and a friend. See? I never think him know, so me know that, but me know that. See? But I never say nothing to him yet about that. So we know the thing. Now, first thing will fully upset me about the Majah situation. When you go publicly post say you have a heart attack and now that can be questioned. Zine, that more talk about first before me even going at anything else. What you do play with my youth? You can't play with we no dog. Cause we really actually care for people in the same industry as we care for people upon our whole. So if you are gonna say you have a heart attack and make everybody get sorrowful and grieve for you, that hurt me. Come even reach out to Majah. And I said, brother, remember say we have the herbal doctor, the alkaline doctor, the electric doctor. We can help up these things in a dog. And him send me back and say, give thanks, brother, for reaching out, good looking out. And me really in sympathy because me I say, yo, Majah, him thing I go on, him, you know, him I do good. Zine? Then this girl here, I gonna make a valid point now when she say, show your discharge papers. Make them see what was your condition. If you're not sure that in a Majah, you're in trouble, you know. Or you can fake a heart attack, youth. Or you can put that on we. Or you can put that on we. Your co-worker, your friends, your family, people in the outer world. Oh no, do that. Or you can do that too. Be a selector upon phone, Twitch a call and say, Johnny Star, Major Star, you know, whole of we afraid. The whole of we afraid, the whole of we don't want nothing happen to you like that. Heart attack a serious something, dog. You understand what I say? Then, second thing I'm fully upset about. No, she have a valid point. Remember America this, show your letter, say you did have a heart attack. Show your discharge paper, say you did have a heart attack. And then me just come up here and this girl are wicked. You understand what I say? It's like when me and my baby mother didn't mash up. And me I say, yo, me can show my title, my car title with my name. Tell her if you show for her own. At the time the car never in her name. So these things are things where you can't go around. You understand? So when me I say no, Majah, in order for you to win back my trust towards the heart attack something where me hurt about, because if I really lie you tell about that my youth, you need help too. If you tell lie about a heart attack and post a picture with be a drip and sitting in a you and a lie, brother, me I tell you, dog, me don't know what you can tell me upon earth for me believe in a dog. My youth, that deceitful that of the word, brother, publicly you do that, you know. So if that a lie in a dog, something, yo. Next thing when me earth for. And when I come over here and go and like say, me perfect. Foota is a dirty man. Foota have more than one woman. Foota cheat on him woman. Foota and Aisha and I used to fight and baiting. Me nah go around and say, me perfect. One thing I no can't say about me do. Certain things me not do. I'm gonna show you the next earthful part of Majah hype situation. Me don't even know him girl name. When we see them from there, that's why I'm telling you sometimes people, when you see people on the internet and I talk about relationship goals, be careful what you ask for. You understand? Be careful what you ask for. The man put out a sex tape. And then I did me rate him, him not for rate me. You see me? But when you go low that. You know, I mean, I want nobody tell me about me should have called Majah phone and rate. It's a public thing, you send it in a public space. That way you put out with she, now go ever can take back in. How she can face her parents. How she can face her father and her mother. When she go to the mall now, how she can react. When she walk through the mall and some little Yankee nigga say, yo, that's the just miss. She could have anxiety and start take pill and start, yo dog, come on man. Come on dog, you should have never do that dog. Lose for that dog. Me lose off of that and the fake heart attack. Well, me not say a fake heart attack yet, because I'm not sure. You have to post a paper there because you say, okay, discharge paper say heart attack, and we are cool where that is concerned. That part I know with the video, you should have never done that, my G. Never. Yo, me don't know where I got you, brother. That's why I'm telling you, say, when you not got you things, you know, if you talk in my, don't keep it inside. Don't keep it inside and mad on yourself, dog. You understand? Don't keep it. Tell somebody, dog. Let it out. Talk. Don't worry about what the public are going to say. Talk. Tell people, dog. You can't keep it to make it do. Because when something really a beat them way there, and then you know, question yourself and answer yourself in your head, dog. Can't work. Can't work. You have to tell somebody. Remember when I find out about my situation, you know, and me tell the man on the English interview, you know, and me tell instead of me go to studio go tell everybody, me not keep it in a me a mad. Me tell everybody, me walk and tell everybody, cause me nah hold it, and go drive and crash and dead and mad. You understand? Me nah hold it, dog. Me go talk. Say yo, she give me bun, she clot me. The girl a wicked, me nah hold it.
Well, there you have it. That was popular sound system selector and social media personality, Foota Hype. Big up yourself, Foota Hype. Much respect goes out to you. So, Foota Hype shared his views as it relates to the viral videos that have been making rounds on social media. However, Foota Hype sought to question the authenticity of a statement that was made by Majah Hype some weeks ago as it relates to him getting a heart attack. This was also questionable by the ex-partner of Foota Hype as well, stating that Majah Hype did not got a heart attack. He only was feeling chest pains. Was as it relates to that, I can't really say much as it relates to that. I'm not a medical doctor, and neither am I to be the judge whether or not he had a heart attack or not. But what played out on social media is very sad. And it's very unfortunate to see how people, whenever they are having relationship problems or problems within their families, they sought to resort to, what did I say? Use social media as a means of settling it or a means of letting their voice be heard. What happened with Majah Hype is very sad. What happened to the female is very sad as well. Who is telling the truth? Who is lying? I can't speak as it relates to that. But what played out is one of those situations where two people love each other allegedly, and the relationship went sour, and they're just hanging their dirty clothes on the line now. But all I can say for the both of them is that I hope that they just find some level of comfort within themselves at this current time, and just try to find that way and means of starting the healing process, which might be a very lengthy one, and just try to just compose themselves and put themselves in that position and frame of mind in order to recuperate from this. And don't think about getting into any relationship just yet. Try to leave this baggage somewhere before you pick up other baggage. Now, Foota Hype weighed in on the issue and he gave his views as it relates to it. Foota Hype basically bash Majah Hype a bit, and Foota Hype is not in total agreement with the whole entire thing that went down, because most of us would have seen these two videos and even the tape as well that was allegedly released by Majah Hype, which he totally denied as well. And now that tape is out there making rounds on social media with the female caught in a compromising position with a male. The female stated that that video was videoed 10 years ago, I believe. Yes, 10 years ago. And however, people now have sought to refute those claims as it relates to the phone that the individual was using is an up-to-date phone, which could not have been 10 years ago, because 10 years ago that phone that was used to record the video was not even made. So that as well is under the microscope right now by a number of fans and also friends of both individuals. So we're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And please drop it in the comment section how you feel about this story. Whose side are you on? Do you believe who is telling the truth? Let me know. I'm out for now. Peace. Bless.